Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another quick video. So I'm here with the Motorola G85, and in this video I'll be showing you how to check to see if your brand new Motorola G85 is real or if it's fake. Okay, so this is very useful. This is a very useful tip if you purchase the phone from one of those dodgy online websites, or if you purchase the phone from somebody on the street. So yeah, I'll be showing you how you can check to see if it's either real or if it's a fake. So just follow the steps that I'm about to show. Make sure that you have a piece of paper and a pen at hand. Okay, so just do what I'm about to do. So pull down the notification panel twice, then go into the settings, and then scroll down all the way down to where it says About Phone. And then scroll down to where it says Device Details. And then scroll down to where it says IMEI. You'll see two IMEIs, IMEI1 and IMEI2. So write down both of these IMEI numbers, IMEI1 and IMEI2. Write them both down on a piece of paper. And then you can just long press on any one of the IMEI numbers, and then select copy. You'll see a little box pop up. Select copy. And then from there, just open up your web browser. So either Google Chrome or Google search bar, or you might have Opera web browser installed. Just open up any web browser. So I'm going to open up Google search bar, and then just type in IMEI check, and then just select the first option up here, IMEI.info, and then here in the box just long press and paste the IMEI number into there, and then go ahead and select check IMEI. And it's just going to verify that you are a human. Okay, so you should then see your model number come up. As you can see, Moto G85. And if you scroll all the way down, you'll see a picture of your phone and all the information about your phone. Okay, so mine is definitely real, it's not a fake. And one last thing to do, if you've still got those two IMEI numbers written down on the piece of paper, the box, what the phone came in, just look for the IMEI number. It's somewhere on the box. You should see the two IMEI numbers. So there they are on mine. So just match it up as well. That's all you have to do to check. So thanks for watching the video. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up, share the video. This was just another useful, helpful video for you all. Also subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. Hit that notification bell so you get notified the second I upload my next video. It's your boy the Android Doctor, and I'm out. Also follow me on TikTok.